What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Steve. Thank you for joining us today. And this channel, we talk about sneakers pretty much exclusively. And today we're technically talking about sneakers. I mean, they have a pretty sneaker kind of sole, but no laces and a minimal upper. And some would say that it's a little dad-esque. I mean, I got the dad hat on for a reason. I actually was a newly minted father during this pandemic in March, my firstborn son. And so I'm kind of feeling the dad vibes, maybe a little bit more than a lot of you are, but I saw what dropped on the sneakers app a couple weeks ago and I thought to myself, like, yes, this is the vibe I'm going for the summer. I mean, I've already been a tall socks with everything type of guy this summer, going for walks and stuff, just like the nice tall white socks with the runners. I don't know, something about it. I'm just kind of feeling it at the moment. And so when I saw these, I had to have them. And I even scooped up a pair for my wife as well. We're rocking them right here on the IGs. So that just gave it away. You know what we're talking about now. The Nike ACG Air Deschutz. Don't hate. Congratulate. Let's take a closer look. Alright guys, welcome back, and now that you've seen a closer look at these bad boys right here, these are the ACG Deschutz in the pretty much just black colorway. Now there is a Be True colorway that's got a Travis Scott-esque kind of pocket on the back, and of course with the Pride stripes incorporated into the upper as well. And that's actually a pretty dope pair as well. It's coming out very soon on the Nike app. But this is just the black on black pair. Of course, that speaks to me. I love, you know, black on black, matte black, everything. So I had to have this pair right here. And, you know, I didn't know what to expect. Of course, you know, Nike was playing it up a little bit kitschy, a little bit with their description. And but basically they say that, you know, this is a outdoor hiking sandal. Like, you can kind of get it in with this sandal. And I don't know. I said, all right, I got to feel it to believe it, because for the longest time now, I've really just been wearing slides, and slides are comfortable, but they're also like, they're comfortable, but they're not comfortable. They're comfortable because they don't like restrict your foot, and they're easy to take on and off, but you can't do much more than a leisurely stroll in slides. And sometimes the platform on slides are just like that cheap foam. And, you know, after a long time, like if you're wearing one, kind of walking around a lot, you realize your foot isn't as comfortable as you think it is. You know, it's nice for the convenience factor, but it really just doesn't kind of give you the support that your body and your knees kind of need. So this one, being billed as an actual hiking sandal, I thought to myself, this is going to be interesting to see how this performs in that comfort and long-term wearability. And you can tell right off the beginning here, just holding them and pushing in on the sole, this feels like a React foam. And I don't think it's as cushy as most of the React foam-filled shoes that we've seen from Nike recently. I think more of that is pretty much because this is a lot thinner than a lot of the midsoles you're getting with other shoes that feature React. But I can say that immediately the platform feels great putting the shoe on. And as far as the straps and everything, a little bit more involved obviously than putting on a pair of slides, right? But I was genuinely surprised at the kind of lockdown that you get with this. I mean, it really does a pretty good job of keeping your foot locked in. And I mean, I don't know if I would go for a run in these shoes, but I mean, like walking on a trail, yeah, walking around the mall, doing whatever you want to do, like walking around the city. I mean, you can pretty much do a lot of things very comfortably in this pair right here. And now, obviously, it would probably look fine without socks. But I know nobody wants to see my feet, so I spare the world that image. And honestly, the white socks are just, they're popping with this. I love it. I really do. I don't like, I just think it's great. Now you can have fun with it. You can rock any type of pair of color or whatever with your socks. You could go crazy with the patterns, especially with a black pair like this, because this is just kind of the foundation. And now my wife's pair is black with a little bit of purple accents. And what she did, and kind of unknowingly, was she had a pair of low ankle cut black socks on. So like the socks cut off like right here. And when she put them on, and I was looking at them from a step back, and I said, they actually look like it's a sock upper type of sneaker. It all kind of blended together. So if you want to go more stealth with it, you could wear some low cut ankle socks that are just black on black, and this might actually just look like a running sneaker, which is crazy, but I'm telling you, that's the kind of the vibe it gave off. Now me, I'm going that tall white, unapologetically dad vibes on this shoe, and I think you should too. Or you can rock it any way you want to rock it, just don't knock it, man, because this is just one of those kind of cool, yeah, a little bit off the wall type of releases, but every now and then, you know, we got to have some fun with our fashion and getting dressed and going out and expressing ourselves. You know, it can't all be super serious sneakerhead stuff. This is a nice reprieve from, man, do I wear my Jordan 1s? Do I wear these Travis Scotts? Do I wear these Yeezys? And like being super serious about it, just be like, it's a fun summer day. I'm gonna go out, slide these bad boys on, go on about my business, maybe end up on a boat. You never know. That's why I love these shoes. That's the kind of vibe that it gives off to me. That comfort, don't give a type of vibe, and also dad vibes. Got your dad hat, got some nice shorts, got some high socks. I mean, you've got a summer fit that's at least in style for now. Just like most style trends, we're gonna probably look back at all this in 5-10 years and cringe. But for right now, this is where the vibes are at for me. And if this is where the vibes are at for you, I definitely recommend getting your hand on a pair. Now, the pairs that dropped a few weeks ago are sold out, but the Beach Trues are coming out in about a week or so, I believe. And you can also get these pairs just a little bit over retail on the secondary market. It's not going crazy yet. I can't speak for when you're watching this video in the future if that's still the case, but for right now, just a few bucks over retail. I think they retail at like 79 bucks. You can get them for around 90. So, you know, what's the big deal there? That's a sub $100 shoe, which we don't have that in very many cases. I mean, unless you can get your hands on a pair of Dunks, you're not getting them for sub 100 bucks. So that does it for me, guys, on this video featuring the Nike ACG Air Deschutz. And like I said, straight up dad vibes. I absolutely love it, and I plan on rocking these all summer long, and hopefully you enjoyed them as well. If you have a pair, let me know what you think down in the comments below. Consider hitting the like and subscribe and joining the family here on this YouTube channel where we talk mostly sneakers. And I'm actually in the process of building and launching a secondary channel that's going to cover a completely different topic outside of sneakers, but it's going to be very relevant to you. It's relevant to actually anybody who is living and breathing in the world. So it's a bit more of an ambitious channel, and I hope you will support me in that as well. More details to come. So right now, hit the like and subscribe. Help me grow this, and your likes and comments and subscriptions are so appreciated, guys. Really, I really do appreciate it. I respond to all the comments, and yeah, there's more sneakers coming on the way. I got the Adapt Automaxes on deck, got some Blazers, got those Sky Forces that just dropped, and those Jordan 6 hairs, of course, are on their way as well. So stay tuned for more dope sneaker content. Please let me know again what you think about these down below, and I hope you have a good day, good evening, good night whenever you are watching this, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.